Hello, in this lesson I will cover the new types of variable declarations in ES6, specifically const and let. Before ES6, to declare variables you could only use the var keyword, as in this example. You assign a var a and then you don't have to assign a value for that, just you have to declare that, and then var b equal 10, and then you could, for any of these variables, reassign different values or different type of objects. In here is a number, b equal 10, and later on in your code you could say b equal an array or a string or a date or something else. In ES6 you now can declare variables using const or let. Const means constant, so when you declare that, you cannot say const a and leave that open like we have here with variable, because it must have a value assigned to it. So this is correct, const b equal 10. But then, because it's a constant, you cannot reassign a different value to that. So I cannot say later on b equal 20. B cannot longer be reassigned. Variables declared with let can be reassigned. So if we say let a, it works as we have with var a here. And then I can assign a value of 10 or 2 or something else. But the difference between var and let is the scope. Const and let are more expressive than var because they specify whether we plan to change the value of a variable or not. They have another advantage. They are scope. They can be used inside of an if branch or on a for loop and not be accessible outside of it. On the other hand, var are not scope, as you can see in this little snippet of code. I don't think I have to do a lot of explanation here. This is very simple stuff. And here with the ES6, when I declare the var2 using let, you can see that the first console log is not returning anything because it's inside the function. And then if I assign let var2 equal 10 inside that function, and I do another console log outside of it, it's getting the value that it has from the global assignment, equal 5. So we can see a completely different scope than when using var. However, you have to be careful when using const with arrays and objects, because it can be tricky, as you can see in this example. The reference becomes constant, but the value does not. Const variable equal an array with an element 5, and if we look in the console for that, we get 5. But now we can reassign variable 0 equal variable 0 times 2, and if we check that variable again, that array, now we have a value of 10. In this short lesson, I covered the differences between var, let, and const, and the main implication relates to the scope of these variable declarations.